Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn to describe rain. Yes, we should learn rain related words. So in this video we will learn to describe rain. Yes, description. So we need to learn some of the adjectives, idioms and phrases that would help us describe rain, speak about rain. Yes, so we have plenty of idioms and words to describe rain. You have to practice all these new vocabularies in order to speak about rain. Yes, we should have vocabulary. Yes, we should build up vocabulary, build up our vocabulary in order to embellish our language skill. Yes, rain related words. Rain related words. Yes. Rain related words. So words, yes, language is nothing but words. So how will you describe rain? So there is a heavy rain. Yes, assume that there is a heavy rain. How will you put it in words? It is pouring. It is pouring. It is pouring. It means it's a heavy rain. It is raining heavily. It is raining heavily. Pouring means raining heavily. Raining heavily. Yes, heavy rain. Yes. So if you talk about heavy rain, if you want to describe rain, heavy rain, then you have to use the adjective. It is pouring. It is pouring. Or we have another idiom. Yes, it is bucketing down. Bucket. Yes, it is bucketing down. So always in continuous tense. Yes, it is. But assume that it is raining heavily now. So how will you use? So use this new idiom. Yes, it is bucketing down. Use this idiom. Yes, it is pouring. It is bucketing down. It is raining. It is raining. It is raining. Cats and dogs. Cats and dogs. It is raining cats and dogs. It is raining cats and dogs. That means the same. Yes, it is bucketing down. Bucketing down means it is pouring. What's the meaning of these? Three different expressions. These three different expressions are same. Yes, same. Raining heavily. That they mean raining heavily. It is raining cats and dogs. It is bucketing down. These two are idiomatic expressions. Yes, idioms. So you have to learn idioms. Yes, idioms have hidden meaning. Yes, idioms have hidden meaning, and idioms will surely embellish your language. Yes, so learn idioms in order to. So these two idioms are rain related idioms. Yes, rain related idioms. So idioms are going to embellish your language skill. Yes, add beauty to your, embellish means add beauty to your language. So learn these two idioms. Yes, it is raining cats and dogs. So unusual rain. Take for example, you receive unusual and unbelievable rain in your place. Yes, then you can use this idiom. It is raining cats and dogs. Unbelievable rain. Yes, your place receives unbelievable, unexpected, unusual, yes, rain. Then you can use this idiom. Yes, so these three different sentences mean the same. Raining heavily. So how will you describe heavy rain? Yes, heavy rain. So yes, it is pouring. It is pouring. Means it is raining heavily. Yes, it is raining heavily. It is bucketing down. It is bucketing down. it's an idiomatic expression. Yes, idiomatic expression, which means the same, like it is pouring, which means it is raining heavily. It is raining heavily. And the third sentence we have seen, yes, already we have seen, it is raining cats and dogs. Yes, cats and dogs. So this is typically used for unusual and unbelievable heavy rain. Yes, so if you want to describe heavy rain, yes, if you want to describe heavy rain, then you can use these three sentences. It is pouring, it is bucketing down, it is raining cats and dogs. Yes, particularly this one is used for unusual and unbelievable rain. If you want to talk about non-stop rain, yes, you can use some adjectives. Yes, some adjectives like incessant. Yes, incessant rain. Incessant rain. Yes, incessant rain means raining continuously. Incessant rain means raining continuously without stop. Without stop. Yes, incessant rain. Take for example, it has been, okay, it has been raining incessantly. Incessantly, adverb. Okay, this is adjective. Incessant. Incessant is, it describes the adjective. What's the work of an adjective? It describes the noun rain. Yes, incessant rain means continuous rain. Incessant rain. So it has been raining incessantly. It means it has been raining continuously, incessantly. Yes, incessantly. So continuously, you can either use incessantly or continuously. If we want to talk about rain that stop and after some time it starts, yes, it stops and starts after some time, stops for some time and starts after some time, then you can describe that kind of rain as intermittent rain. Intermittent rain. Yes, stopped the entire match, whatever. Intermittent rain spoils the regular work. Intermittent rain, yes, not raining continuously. Yes, not continuous. Yes, stops for some time, then it starts to rain. So if you want to describe light, yes, light, not heavy. Yes, not heavy, very light rain. So you can say it is drizzling. It is drizzling. Yes, it is drizzling. Raining very lightly, not heavy rain. To describe heavy rain, we have to use these three sentences. It is pouring, it is bucketing down, it is raining cats and dogs. And if you want to describe a light, yes, not heavy rain, then you can use this word, it is drizzling. Yes, if you want to talk about rain that stop for some time, then it starts to rain, stops for some time and it starts to rain, then you can use the adjective intermittent rain. Yes, it is raining intermittently, means it rains for some time and stops for some time, then again it starts to rain. Yes, intermittent rain. Yes, spoils. Yes, the entire our entire day's work. Yes, it spoils everything. Yes, intermittent rain. Yes, and incessant rain means raining continuously. Yes, opposite to intermittent. Yes, incessant means continuous rain. Incessant rain, continuous rain. So I hope you have enjoyed this. You have learned something out of my video class on rain. So learn a new vocabulary in order to embellish your language skill. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to it and you will get regular updates on grammar and other vocabulary. You will surely embellish, add beauty to your language. Thank you.